They build the devices we use, run the platforms we live on, and shape the future with AI. Today, we're counting down the top 10 biggest tech companies in 2025, ranked from smallest to largest. At number 10 is China's tech giant Tencent, with a market cap of $607 billion. They're best known for WeChat and for owning big stakes in gaming companies like Epic Games, the maker of Fortnite, and Riot Games, the company behind the hugely popular League of Legends. Tencent is still a major player in digital entertainment, though tighter regulations and growing global competition have slowed down its momentum. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, also known as TSMC, with a market cap of $820 billion, is the world's most important chipmaker. It builds processors for Apple, Nvidia, and pretty much every major tech company. Its cutting-edge chips helped make the current AI boom possible. TSMC is the silent engine behind the digital world, powering everything from TikTok and Teslas to Mars rovers. Since we mentioned Tesla, let's keep going with this $915 billion tech giant led by Elon Musk. Tesla isn't just a car company, it's part software company, part energy tech firm. With self-driving AI, energy storage systems, and cutting-edge tech in its vehicles, it's redefining what a modern tech company looks like. In fact, Tesla is worth more than Volkswagen, Toyota, and General Motors combined. Its work in autonomous driving and robotics makes it a serious player in the tech world, not just the auto industry. Have you heard about Broadcom? With a market cap of $930 billion, it has become a silent giant in the chip world. Their tech powers Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, broadband, and data centers. Basically, if you're using the internet, there's a good chance Broadcom is behind it. And it's not just hardware anymore. They've gone big into enterprise software, helping companies manage their devices through major acquisitions like CA Technologies and VMware. Meta, with a market cap of $1.65 trillion and led by CEO Mark Zuckerberg, is the biggest social media company in the world. It owns the most popular social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Threads. However, in recent years, Meta has been investing heavily in AI, building things like the AI Research Supercluster and creating major projects like the Metaverse and its own large language model, Llama. You know Google, but have you heard of Alphabet? It's the parent company that owns Google, is worth around $1.95 trillion, and led by Sundar Pichai. Google is the world's biggest search engine, but that's just part of what Alphabet owns. The company also runs YouTube, Android, and Google Maps. Lately, it's even gotten into hardware with products like Pixel phones and self-driving cars through its project Waymo. It's such a big company that it's hard to go a day without using one of its products. Amazon, with a market cap of $2.05 trillion, is way more than just the biggest online store. Led by founder Jeff Bezos, it also dominates cloud computing with AWS, which powers millions of websites including Netflix and Reddit. On top of that, Amazon makes smart home tech like Alexa and runs its own streaming service, Prime Video. And if that's not enough, Bezos even started a space company called Blue Origin, aiming to make space travel a regular thing. Top 3 companies in the world start with Nvidia with a market cap of $3.17 trillion. It used to be just a graphics card maker, but now it's leading the way in AI, machine learning, and high-performance computing. Its groundbreaking AI chips are powering everything from self-driving cars and medical imaging to data centers, robotics, and even Mars rovers. With demand for AI exploding, Nvidia's stock has taken off, making it one of the biggest tech companies of 2025. Slightly bigger than Nvidia is Apple with market cap of $3.18 trillion, led by CEO Tim Cook. Back in 2007, Apple kicked off the smartphone era with the launch of the iPhone, and it's only grown since, with hits like the iPad, iPod, and Mac. In recent years, like many tech giants, Apple has been investing heavily in AI and AR to keep pushing innovation forward. But its biggest strength is user loyalty, because once people buy into the Apple ecosystem, they rarely switch to competitors. At the top is Microsoft, with a market cap of $3.34 trillion, led by CEO Satya Nadella. Its most notable product, the Windows operating system, was created by co-founder Bill Gates, and since then, the company has expanded into many other industries. Among the most significant products are the Azure Cloud Computing Platform, which competes with Amazon Web Services, AWS, and ownership of major platforms like LinkedIn and GitHub. It also made a strong push into gaming through the Xbox brand and the acquisition of Blizzard, the company behind World of Warcraft. Microsoft has also become a major player in the AI industry through its investment in OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT. Cars, websites, chips, and phones. These are the products of the world's top companies. They shape our future and bring innovation into everyone's lives. Who knows what this list will look like in a decade? If you have a guess, share it in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.